How to fix disconnected from game server, LC-208, error in Overwatch 2. 1. Ensure your internet is working fine or fast enough. Note, you may restart your router, if any. Troubleshoot your internet connection, for PS4, https://manuals.playstation.net/document/n/ps4/settings/nw_test.html. For Xbox One, https://support.xbox.com/xbox-1/networking/slow-performance-solution. For Nintendo Switch, https://and-americas-support.nintendo.com/apps/answers/details/_use-the-internet-connection-test. 2. Relink or reconnect your console. For newbies, see https://us.battle.net/support/n/article/75885. Cannot link my console and battle.net accounts. 3. Check the server status of Overwatch 2, you may need to wait until Blizzard resolves the issue with the game servers. 4. Switch to a different region. 5. PC players, change the DNS. And restore firewall. Settings. 6. Log out then relog into your account. 7. Clear caches and cookies in browser and/or system.